Lord Krishna is referred to as Harshikesha. Do you know the reason why? Because he is directing all the sense organs of the living entities. He is the owner of all the senses that we are having. All the living beings here are parts and parcels of him only. Lord Krishna is situated in heart of all the living entities. He directs their senses, and in case if he or she is a pure devotee, then he directly controls his all senses. Friends, in case of Arjuna, he was directly controlling all his senses. Do you know the reason why, friends? Because he was a pure devotee of Lord Krishna. Friends, do you know what Krishna is also referred to as Devaki Nandan, Vasudeva? Can you let me know what is the reason behind calling Lord Krishna like this in my comment box? Lord Krishna is also referred to as Parthasarathi because he is the charioteer of Arjuna. So the people who were on the sides of Arjuna, he was having Lord Krishna with himself. So as I told you that people were blowing their own conch shells, and the conch shell voice was so loud that it motivated and energized all the fighting soldiers. So this type of credit was not present on the side of Duryodhana. So Yudhishthira, who was the elder brother to Arjuna and the son of Kunti, blew his own conch shell called as Ananda Vijaya. Nakul and Sahadev blew their own conch shell called Sughosha and Mani Pushpaka respectively. Shikhandi, Drishtidyuman, Virata, Abhimanyu, Drupada all blew their own conch shell. The loud voice of the conch shell from the side of Arjuna was so loud and so big that the other person got demotivated from the side of Duryodhana. It clearly indicated the sign that in the great battlefield, the other person, the people on the other side are going to lose. Sanjaya, who was telling and demonstrating everything that was happening on the field of Kurukshetra to Dhritarashtra, he made him know that his decision to throw his brother's sons from the kingdom throne was not at all laudable. So these conch shells were so loud that they vibrated the earth as well as the sky. So the sound of the conch shell was so loud and so big that there was so much confidence filled on the sides of the people fighting from the side of Arjuna. While listening to this sound, the hearts of the sound of Dhritarashtra was so much shattered. Even Dhritarashtra, listening to all these things from Sanjaya, his heart was too shattered listening to this, because they were demotivated and understood that they are so much confident that they are only going to win, because where there is Supreme Lord, Lord Krishna, they will only win. That they knew from inside. Because even if great calamity comes, even if earthquake comes, tsunami comes, whatever comes, where there is God, where there is Lord Krishna, there is nothing to fear. So listening to all these things, the people on the side of Duryodhana, even Dhritarashtra, they were disheartened. They become sad, knowing that the other side people are so confident about their victory. Friends, also on the chariot of Arjuna, there was a flag in which there was emblem of Hanuman. That too identified and reflected to the other person that he is going to win. Do you know the reason why, friends? Because Lord Krishna is Lord Rama himself. And where there is Lord Rama, there is his servitor Hanumana is always with him. Also, his wife, who is goddess herself, Sita, is always with her, who is the goddess of fortune. He had fight with Ravana, victory was on the side of Lord Rama. So Lord Krishna was himself available with Arjuna to give him counseling, to give him all the directions. So his victory was assured. So now, friends, the war was going to begin. The battle was going to begin. Now in this situation, Arjuna is telling that please Lord Krishna to him as Madhusudana, please take me in the midst of the two armies. Because inside he was feeling that he has to fight with his own people that he loved so much. Suppose, friends, you are in this situation. You have to fight with your own people, your own people that you know, your parents, your relatives, your friends, suppose, and in this situation you have to kill them. It is such a big decision, and how you will be able to do this, you just feel. So in this situation, Arjuna was getting so much low that how he will able to do this. His hands were shivering, his legs were shivering, so friends, his hands were shivering, his feet were shivering, that how he will able to fight with his own relatives, his own parents with whom he had spent these many years of love and affection, with whom he shared this much of concern, love, everything to him, with whom he had so many relations with them. How he will be able to kill them, how he will be able to fight with them. Friends, Lord Krishna accepted the position of charioteer to Arjuna. He did not hesitate that he is such a big personality, he is the supreme lord, so why he will do this type of work. Friends, Lord is ready to serve his pure devotee at any cost. If a person is a pure devotee, then he will himself come and help his or her devotee. He did not hesitate to take the position of charioteer to Arjuna. Since Arjuna will give him orders, Arjuna will direct him to go somewhere or everywhere. Whatever will be, Arjuna will be ordering him. So, for pure devotee, for his friend Arjuna, his supreme position was not challenged. He accepted it. For his pure devotee, he is ready to help and accept everything for his friend and devotee. Friends, Lord Krishna is the master of everyone. Nobody can give him orders, but yet he accepted the position to take the orders from his pure devotee. Friends, Arjuna did not want to fight. With his own brothers, cousins, his own relatives, he had no desire to fight. Still, he was forced to fight due to Duryodhana, because he did not want to do any peaceful negotiation. Even they asked for a small village, they will be satisfied. But Dhritarashtra and his sons, they did not want to give anything, a bit of a small of land also, to Arjuna and his brothers. But then also Arjuna was having Lord Krishna on his side, and he knew, and everyone will knew, that victory will always be on the side where Lord Krishna is there. Friends, Arjuna is referred to as Gudakesa in this. Do you know the reason why, friends? Because he conquered his sleep also. How he was able to do this? Because he was a pure devotee of Lord Krishna. But in this sentence, friends, you will not understand properly, because I am telling you in more detail is this: as a devotee, he could not forget Krishna even for a second. He always used to take name, qualities, form, either verbally or in his mind. Through that only he was able to conquer his sleep, everything. Because when you take the name of Lord, you will have that energy, you will have that power to conquer everything, conquer his sleep. So he was able to be powerful, to be energized, because this is the nature of a devotee, friends, that he will always be remembering his supreme God, his God, Lord Krishna. And this is called, friends, as Krishna consciousness, which we also refer to as Samadhi. So friends, in this situation also, Lord Krishna was knowing what was going on in the mind of Arjuna, through what things he was facing inside, he was struggling inside. That thing Lord Krishna was knowing. Also, he was friend to Lord Krishna. Arjuna was friend to Lord Krishna. You know the reason why, friends? Because Arjuna was son of Kunti, who was sister of Vasudeva, and Vasudeva was father of Lord Krishna. So inside, Krishna was thinking that he will stop here, he will not fight, he was not willing to fight. So this was not expected from Arjuna by Lord Krishna. So friends, on the field of Kurukshetra, Arjuna was seeing his own relatives, his grandfather Bhishma Pitama, his own uncle Sakuni, his brothers Duryodhana, his sons Lakshmana, his friends Ashwasthama, Somdatta, Salya, everyone, and these all were people were his own relatives, with whom he has spent his own childhood, with the people who he was sharing his affection, he had his blood relation. So he was not able to digest how he will be able to fight with his own relatives, with the people who belonged to him, who were having his own blood. So friends, do you know what now Arjuna is saying to Krishna? He is saying, my dear friend, I am not able to fight with my own relatives, my own friends. My mouth is drying, my hand is quivering, my legs are shaking. I will not be able to fight. So friends, in order to know what will happen next and how will Arjuna get this much energy and this much mindset to be able to fight with his own relatives and friends, he will fight for his dharma to establish dharma over adharma. How this will happen, how Lord Krishna will convince Arjuna, his pure heart and everything, whatever struggles that he is going inside, how he will be able to conquer that. For knowing that, stay tuned with my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe it.